the 10 areas of knowledge in project management. I'll see you there. Project management professional in the making, or CAPM in the making. That's probably why you're watching this, or maybe you're already a PMP. Today, we're going to break down the 10 areas of knowledge of project management, and I'm going to give you mental visuals as far as how each of these can be represented. So we have a mnemonic. I saw 6 chipmunks quietly roasting coffee, reading poetry stories. It's quite a colorful mnemonic, but let's break it down. I is for integration. S is for scope. The other S is for schedule. C is for cost. Q is for quality. R is for resources. C is for communications. R is for risk. P is for procurement. And S is for stakeholder management. 10 areas of knowledge. The first one, I want you to visualize a juggler juggling items, because in project management there are so many spinning wheels and objects and variables and data that the project manager needs to juggle and coordinate, and that's integration, the bringing together of the multiple ideas and variables. Then we get into scope. Scope, I want you to imagine I'm looking at you through a telescope. The telescopic lens helps you understand this metaphor in the viewpoint of scope, because scope needs to be understood, and the best way to understand it is to look through your magical telescope. Now, scope management is clarifying what needs to be done, understanding the requirements and the work to do the requirements. You understand? It's one thing to know the customer wants a chicken sandwich. It's another thing to understand the customer wants a chicken sandwich made from scratch. You see how the requirements are one thing, I want a chicken sandwich. But when you begin to scope out the details of those requirements, you then find an additional layer of work that was not visible initially. And that's what scope management is all about. It's trying to investigate the work needed to complete the requirements. So when we understand the scope of what needs to be done, we can then go into scheduling the items, looking at the timeline and understanding how long it will take. Then we have a better idea of the cost, how much it will cost. So integration is the juggler, scope is a telescope, schedule management is a clock, cost management is a wallet or a credit card. And then we get into quality management, which is fitness for use. So just have an image of stars, 5 stars, or a rosette. You know those rosettes that show quality? Have that in the back of your mind.